What if there was no night? What if everyone and everything was going right, calm, and even more responsible? How would you have been living in such circumstances? Boring, right? Every time there would be light, people are kind, it is nothing to be proud of because it will be so monotonous that no fun will be left behind. Hello viewers, welcome to my channel where I help you grow in every aspect of life. Yes, we were talking about monotony in life. Suppose you have good days all the time. Mark my words, you will pray for miseries. We humans cannot live without adventure, and bad times are no less than experiences. It's okay to have some bad days till you know some tips to handle them. If you don't know any, then this video is for you. In today's video, let me share about how to face odd times in life. Want to know? Then stay with us till the end to learn something that will help you in the long run. Before we begin with this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I come with a new video. After every day a night comes, and that is precisely what happens in life. Life can never be in a straight path. Some ups and downs are normal to become a hurdle. These hurdles are not to make you fall down, but are to teach you some life lessons and improve you for the further challenges of life. Hard times come in everyone's life, but the one who is able to fight it wins the race of life. If having good times are normal, then it's better to take your odd times also normally. This will help you to tackle it easily. Always remember, time never stops. Odd times also does not exist for long. It is surely going to be driven out of your life one day. The major thing is to keep yourself stable in that period of time. Nothing in life is impossible, just the way of thinking makes it so. So make a strong mindset of dealing with your hard time and the pressure will be off lower. In order to build up a proper mindset, you can go through some of the mentioned ways to tackle your hard times. Number 1. Control your emotions. Tough times get tougher if you don't control your emotions. Your emotions play a great role in driving out your mood. If you get emotionally weaker, then the situation seems to be more drastic and out of control. So control your emotions and have patience. For this, you just have to stop overthink more about the problems and past incidents that have brought such times in your life. Just focus on the fact that this time will fade soon, for which you need to keep patience. Number 2. Look at the positive side of every situation. Every kind of situation has two sides, irrespective of how worst or how good it is. Focus on the positive side of the situation in spite of looking at the other. Focusing on the positive side means what are the things that you get to learn from it. Even the hard times bring some opportunities to create a new path, search for it. Always make your bad times into a good one. Think positive about it and focus on the upcoming time and what you can do now to make it better than today. Number 3. Indulge in some creative activities. As long as you keep on thinking about your odd times, your problems will increase. The way out is to divert your mind something else. Opting for some creative work will rather work in such situations. Engage yourself in some recreational activities as per your interest. If you're fond of art, you can make some paintings. If you are fond of music, listen to it, or you can also play some soothing instruments. The core intention here is to make yourself stop thinking about the odd times. Number 4. Take it as a challenge. Life is full of challenges. These challenges are to determine your problem solving ability in life. Be a brave one and complete these small challenges bravely, because there will be several more such situations in the future. Make a plan for yourself and execute it with all your efforts. Take a challenge to eradicate such odd times in the minimum period possible. This will also work as a motivation for you. Number 5. Don't think unnecessarily about disturbing issues. Continuously thinking about the problem will never end it up. If the work you are doing doesn't go right, then you must change it. This is what you must need to adapt at such times. Don't focus on the things that are the cause of your tough times. Instead, focus on the things that will drive you out of this harsh situation. Because thinking unnecessarily will just make you sad and emotionally weaker and an emotionally weak person is never able to deal up with the situation. Number 6. Have the feeling of gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful catalyst for happiness. It helps to turn what we have into the most and more. If you are thankful for having something, then first learn to express it. Instead of thinking of the negativity going around, be grateful for what you have. You can express this feeling in words or write it down. Your gratitude can also be to the universe and the power existing in the world. When you start realizing the several things going right in your life, then the bad time going on will become almost insignificant. Number 7. Get socialized. Being alone in odd times makes you more depressed and sad. In such time, talking to some person near to you will work as the best healing agent. Sharing your problem to someone close will not only make you relieved, but also help you to find the best solutions to get rid of the tough situations. Being lonely can never be the solution to any problem, and neither it will help to face the hard times of life. So, get out of your room, talk to the people around you and spend time with them instead of dealing with your own loneliness. Number 8. Learn from the situation. Every situation in life brings a new lesson. These lessons are really substantial to achieve something desirable in life. This will prevent such situations from ever getting repeated in the future, and if mistakenly encountered, it can be solved easily, as you will be experienced at the time. The person who takes every situation as an opportunity to learn something new has a real potential to meet the desired goal in life. So hard times come in everyone's life, but the way it is going to affect depends on the choice you make. Depression and overthinking cannot be a solution, and neither will help you to face your difficult time. Always remember that the past is not equal to the future, and neither to the present. So the time keeps on changing. Today might be tough, but tomorrow will be better. So have patience, deal with the present and wait for tomorrow. Here we come to the end of this video. Hey, how you handle your odd times? Do share with us in the comment section below. If you like this video, share it with your friends and family to help them cope with odd times. See you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling.